In today's video, I will walk you through how to quote a message in Discord. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer or mobile device and go to the text channel or direct message where you want to quote something. To create a text-only quote, start a new line and type the greater than symbol, followed by a space. For example, type greater than, "This is a quoted line." When you send the message, Discord will automatically format that line as a quote. You'll see a vertical bar on the left, and the quoted text will appear slightly indented, making it easy to distinguish from the rest of the conversation. Make sure the greater than symbol is the first character on the line. If you place another character or emoji before it, Discord may not recognize it as a quote. Adding a space after the greater than symbol also makes the quote easier to read. You can either type the quoted text manually or paste text after the symbol. If you want to add your own commentary, simply start a new line without the greater than symbol and continue typing normally. On a keyboard, the greater than symbol is usually found on the same key as the period. Hold Shift and press the period key to type it. On mobile devices, switch to the symbols keyboard and look for the greater than character. You can use quotes to provide context, respond to specific points, or highlight important instructions and reminders. They're especially useful when a conversation has multiple messages and you want your reply to be easy to follow. If you make a mistake, you can edit the message as usual. The quote formatting will remain as long as the line still begins with the greater than symbol. That's it. Start a new line, type the greater than symbol, add a space, enter your text, and send the message to create a quote in Discord. And that's how to quote a message in Discord. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.